KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP. And if you're a long time subscriber, you'll know that I was away from home for 3 days for a little bit of training, and I did not get a decent meal. I went to the supermarket and bought myself a couple of little things, and I actually cooked in the hotel room. And I've done this before. I've shown you how to make little quick, easy hotel room hacks like my cheese toasties. Right, go through your little hotel room and find what utensils you have. We have a knife, fork and a spoon, and we have basically a cereal bowl. Alright, we've got the basics, and we have a microwave as well. Alright, we're all set. I'm going to go down the street to my little Quickie Mart, and I'm going to get some microwave pasta, some smoked tuna slices, and that really stinky Parmesan cheese already ground, that plasticky type deal. Right, we're going to open up our little can of smoked tuna slices, which I used to buy way back in the day, and put those on crackers. They work really nice. And we're simply just going to open that up, pour a little bit of that oil into our little cereal bowl. Okay, we'll give that a bit of a swirl around. Our pasta, we're going to read the back of the packet and learn how to cook it. All we have to do is loosen that up, tear the top around about halfway, put that into the microwave for 60 seconds, and that is it. This is a nice simple dish. I also bought a little picnic ground black pepper. Okay, little picnic size deal. And by buying your pepper and your parmesan, you can take those home with you. They'll be sealed. They'll be nice and safe, and we can use those later on. Alright, 60 seconds later, our pasta is cooked. It goes straight into our cereal bowl, just like that. How easy. And I'm simply just going to get these little tuna slices. Look at those little tuna slices, and the smokiness on these is amazing. Alright, we're simply just going to put that straight over the top of our nice hot pasta, like that. And make sure you keep some of that oil and brine, whatever it is, in that tin. We're going to give that a quick stir through, just like that. And now what I'm going to do is give that a quick little seasoning with our ground black pepper. Alright, it might not be our normal type of fare for a meal, but this will get you by, it will sustain you, and it tastes amazing. Right, give a good sprinkle of that Parmesan cheese, give that a quick stir through, just like that. And I don't normally use that cheese. I normally use a freshly grated, and I like to grate it straight off the block. A little bit more of that on top, just like that. And before you know it, you have yourself a real quick and easy meal. It cost me under $10. It's about $1.70 for the pasta, about $1.60 for the tuna, about 60 cents worth of Parmesan cheese and pepper. Pour a little bit of that oil over the top just for a little bit more of that beautiful smoky seasoning, and there you go, you're all done. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. Gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Hit the notifications bell to be notified every time a new video goes up. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. Leave a comment. Love reading and love responding to them. In the meantime, you want to learn how to make something quick and easy while you're away from your normal environment, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Off to eat my away from home survival meal, and I will catch you next time. Bye!